if you want to avoid repeating yourself, this is one of the biggest frictions when using video messaging like daily, right? You can copy and paste the same email and over, but to record a video, you're usually having to record the same thing. And it gets annoying. It gets time consuming. You're like, oh my God, I have to repeat myself so much. And so we built a technology here where you do not have to repeat yourself. In this example,
Hey, John.
I said, hey, John, I made a special video for you. And then what Dubb does automatically is it's going to place a second video or third or fourth, the parts of my message that are repeatable. So in this case, my explainer video, right, my product overview is the same for everybody. Anybody that I want to tell about Dubb has the same value proposition where I can show them all this really cool stuff that Dubb does with calendars and scheduling and whatever, right? All the cool stuff that Dubb does. So instead of me having to repeat myself for 94 seconds every time I want to tell somebody about Dubb, this is what the technology was designed to replace. So you can record one video one time, and that's your use case. That's your value prop. That's the reason you're sending this video. And then we can avoid ever repeating that again by having this, hey, John, hey, Bill, whatever personalization, which, by the way, can also contain
our sales rep 100
testimonials, client success stories, whatever else makes sense after your little offer or your explanation here. And by the way, you can capture these testimonials with Dubb with one button. No need to download or sign up or install. You can actually capture the testimonials with Dubb and then put them a part of this playlist as well. So this is what I recommend for every single person that's doing video messaging with regularity, is to take advantage of a technology like this where you can avoid repeating yourself and have all of your best assets and video and buttons attached there automatically. So this whole thing that I showed you guys, when you press, say, hey, John, in 5-10 seconds, and then Dubb's going to add the rest, this is all what we call a preset. So there it is, Darius preset booking. And it contains my video reply, my customer success, and my calendar, my 2-minute explainer, and my testimonials. So that's why when I record this video, Dubb adds all of those things: my explainer, my testimonials, my buttons, and my AI sales assistant. That is the magic to using video messaging with regularity, guys, is to set up your template, your preset, so that you can avoid repeating yourself and have all of your best options added there automatically. So you can be super streamlined, recording in, clips of 5, 10, or 30 seconds at most, where you're getting the fully personalized outreach where they see their name, hear their name, know that a real person took the time to do something for them, and then avoid repeating yourself the rest of it. That's the magic of templates, or presets is what they're called in Dubb.